the client has to be willing for his behavioral change, ma'am. Then only the therapist has a rapport to do this technique, ma'am, use this technique. And if at all the old image, he is not making it into smaller size and making it blur and all, we has to put some effort as a therapist, ma'am, to make unvisualize the old image, ma'am. And new image has to be realistic and not an cinematic or fantastic type, not making having a powers of Superman and all, ma'am. It has to be, his desire has to be in a realistic way, ma'am. And this Swiss techniques is used in building up self-confidence, ma'am, and getting rid of negative behavior, and also controlling the anger. For example, he's stuck in a heavy traffic and he's driving his four-wheeler. He's literally getting angry to use his clutch, brake and all the times. In that time, it is very useful is Swiss technique, ma'am. I wanted to conclude, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Okay. So till now we have finished 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And Prasad Garu, do you want to take frames or let us discuss what all things we have done today? Because we have 11. Out of 11, we finished 5. If it is 12, 6 kar dete the. Lekin we can conclude it, or because today you have time, you can finish it off. We'll finish till frames discussion. Then we'll be having only 5, which we can finish it on Tuesday.
Ma'am, I have a question, ma'am, from the Swiss technique. So when we are saying that we have to repeat the Swiss technique, so it is given that we have to do it 5 to 6 times.
Yes.
After that 5 to 6 times, when are we supposed to repeat it, ma'am? Is it like what we suggested to do it in the morning and evening, or how are we suggesting it to the client, ma'am?
We are not giving any tools to the client. It will go in a wrong way. For example, I'm thinking of committing suicide. So I imagine like hanging myself. Then what happens? That image becomes very strong in my brain. So we are not giving any techniques. Let them come to you. Instead of charging 1,000 rupees, you can charge 700 and you can do it on them.
Okay.
You can tell them that this is going to misfire on you, so you are not supposed to use because your brain has used to my tone. So you can do it whenever I am there. I can do it. And people are very intelligent. They ask you to record. They ask you to send. Then you can say that whenever you feel like coming, you just come. There is nothing to worry about. Karke usko bhaga dena.
And we have to do it in 3-4 sittings, ma'am.
Each problem one time.
Only one time.
Yeah, Srilata was telling, no, every time you take a break. In this 8 steps, you take a break. You ask them to go have a coffee and come back. You want to use the washroom, go come back. Sip this water in a glass of water. Take 3 sips and wait for 10 seconds. Every time you take the water, wait for 10 seconds. Then you take another 1 sip for 10 seconds. So what are we doing is, we are trying to analyze whether the image is becoming stronger or not. If the image is not becoming stronger, that means something the client is rejecting it. He doesn't want it. As Srilata was telling, it has to be realistic. I cannot think that I'll get wings and I'm going to fly. I can think that I can fly in the aeroplane. That I can think. So to get that, whether the ideas are realistic, whether the submodalities are being properly anchored or not, for that we are giving him 4 or 5 times break. Okay. At the end of the session, while going, close your eyes and tell me what image you are getting. If he is not getting the new image, you have to make them sit again and do it again until it becomes fixed.
Okay.
Ma'am, like for one problem, we should do only in a day only one Swiss technique once, isn't it?
Yeah, because it takes long time, but it works out very well. Swiss technique works very well. And it is not like you are just sticking on to NLP. You have to club all the therapies. Okay? CBT, like how I try to club the CBT and NLP now. Just now you have seen, no? So you have to mix match. Then only you will become the perfect one. ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, in desired state, can we use ABCD one also? What is your desired thought which you want to change, which you want to alter?
Desired state always ABC always thoughts about the incident, what happens before, what will after, before and after. So desired state से पहले क्या है? Nothing ना.
No, altering state A, B, C, D, E, something is there, right, ma'am? What you are expecting in the negative times,
Yes, A, B, C,
actually
D,
want E will also be there, right? Can you use
yes,
that
ma'am.
at the desired state?
It's desired state ABCDE technique. Maybe that is confusing for them.
As ma'am said, the example of getting jammed in a traffic, anger management, like you took the same example for that for the ABCD also. I'm stuck in the traffic. What can I do now? What can I do now? I can call, I can mail. So that example, the same
Means
example.
how
you took.
can we do? How can we make that part which we are
Yes.
stuck in the traffic more purposeful,
Yes.
more meaningful?
So
More
the same
meaningful.
example you took. You took.
Correct.
Told me. Can we
So
use that?
ABCDE will make the client confused because there are 5 alphabets.
Okay.
And NLP we are not giving homework. In CBT we are giving homework.
Mm-hmm.
For
Okay.
anger management, if you are trying to use CBT, you give them and say that how many times you got anger, what happened before that, how you purposefully used it. That is how you can use it, but not in NLP. NLP में pen paper का कोई फायदा ही नहीं है. It's all top technique. In CBT, we are giving lots of homeworks. Okay?
Got it.
Yeah. Prasad Gar, go ahead.
Thank you, madam, for the opportunity.